Wait! 135 pesos lang to? Welcome to U.MI Cafe and Dessert sa Barangay Kudkut, Friendship Highway, Angeles City. Di lang dessert spot to. This is where Pampanga's sweetest secrets happen. At eto yung dapat mong malaman. Una, fresh fruits, real ingredients, walang shortcut. Kaya ang mango dragon fruit juice nila parang hinarvest kanina lang. Tapos, may fish-shaped at crocs-shaped egg waffles pa sila. Starts at 135 pesos only. Crispy outside, fluffy inside, at may free ice cream ka pa habang naghihintay. Heto ang kanilang classic Oreo milk tea, native vibes sa coconut purple rice milk, velvet foam latte, and kumquat passion sparkle. At heto pa, mango blizzard, matcha avalanche for their bingsu. Grabe, yung presentation pa lang, Instagram worthy na. And here's the best part, everything's made to order. Gusto mo ng extra toppings, custom design, free yan. At hindi sila nagtitipid sa ingredients. High quality na, strict quality control pa. Kaya yung feeling nila sa egg waffle, sobra. Plus yung ambience, super cozy. Yung staff, friendly. Perfect for family days, dates, or just pasyal with the barkada. Plus free gifts from time to time. U.MI Cafe and Desserts is located beside Roosewood Park Homes, Friendship Highway, Barangay Kudkut, Angeles City. Save this video cause this could be your new favorite dessert spot in Pampanga.